Combination of tags make up for an HTML page. It can be a simple combination of tags or more complex. But don't worry, we're gonna get there by starting with the HTML tag. This is how we open it, and this is how we close it. The tag that includes the configuration and the title is the head tag. So we place the title in here, my first web, and then we are going to refresh the page, and you can see the title has changed. We place the content in between the opening and closing tags, as you have seen in the title. Now we will create the body tag that is responsible for the structure of the entire web page. Body tag includes numerous tags, including headings, paragraphs. We're going to start with the heading, and we are going to fill it with hello world. A sign of being a noob, and now let's restart the page. We have a big thing right there, and that's called the heading 1. There are a total of 6 different types of headings, and now let's create the h2 tag. Same hello world, and we have another hello world, but slightly smaller. Let's copy this heading, repeat that, repeat that, repeat that, make sure it's 6. And there you have it, 6 different sizes of the heading. Enjoy. While you're enjoying, let's talk about the P tag and fill it with some content. Fit a little paragraph in my first website. Don't forget to refresh the page, and there you have it. Assuming by the name it had to be smaller than the headings, but seemingly it's bigger than the H5. Anyways, let's copy paste it a couple times. Now, there are not only the tags with the closing tags, but there are tags which are lonely in nature. One such tag is the breakline tag called BR. As you can see, it doesn't have any content and it breaks the line. Another lonely tag is the HR tag that creates the line. And now I shall draw a line to mark the end of this page and to mark the end of today's lesson. You can play with the tags on your own risk. And that was it for today. I hope you liked the video and do subscribe. Goodbye for today.